friends, and welcome to day 4 of introductions for Mama Elephant's April 2025 release. Today we are introducing Game Night and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing Let's Game Sayings. Now let's take a look at the stamped images. This set contains 9 different game-related images, and the new sentiment stamp set called Let's Game Sayings coordinates perfectly with this stamp set. For this video, I will be coloring the chess pieces with the little monkey. You can find the Copic color numbers in the description below. As a finishing touch, I add some white gel pen accents. I cut a standard sized white card base and I'm adding this Kraft cardstock panel on top. I cut a rectangle that is slightly smaller from this blue cardstock. Over top, I'm using the quilted cover to create some interest. I cut the Poofy cloud note from the January release from some pattern paper. And I'm stamping one of the Let's Game sayings on top. Happiness is best when shared with my favorite people. Now it's time to put together our card. I place the Poofy cloud note on top of my panel. And I'm arranging all my different images to go around the sentiment. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you again in the next release. This release is available from tomorrow, the 15th of April.